Welcome to our complete guide to shabby chic bedroom decor. In this video, we'll show you how to choose the right furniture and the perfect accessories to create a unique and cozy atmosphere. You'll learn about current trends and how to combine vintage elements with modern touches. Join us on this journey of transformation and bring your bedroom to life. In today's video, we'll explore over 15 shabby chic bedroom decor ideas, which are sure to inspire the space of your dreams. Shabby chic style is characterized by its vintage charm and cozy aesthetic. Let's start with some ideas that you can implement in your bedroom. Bleached wood furniture. Opt for wooden furniture with a whitewashed finish. This will bring lightness and a rustic touch to your room. Linen bedding. Choose linen sheets and pillowcases in soft shades like white, pale pink, or light blue. These colors bring freshness and elegance. Textured throw pillows. Add throw pillows in different textures and floral patterns. Not only does this add comfort, but it also creates a cozy atmosphere. Vintage mirrors. Incorporate mirrors with ornate frames. Mirrors are not only functional, but they also visually expand the space. Floral wallpaper walls. Consider using wallpaper with floral patterns. This can be a great way to add a romantic touch to your walls. Wrought iron accessories, such as bookshelves or headboards, add a vintage and elegant feel. Lace curtains. Lace or light linen curtains allow natural light to come in, creating a light and airy atmosphere. Antique nightstands. Look for nightstands at flea markets or antique stores. These unique pieces add character to your bedroom. Soft lighting. Use table lamps with fabric shades or antique-style pendant lights. Soft lighting is key to creating a relaxing atmosphere. Vintage chest of drawers. Like in Grandma's time. This is a practical piece of furniture, and painted in white it creates a nostalgic appeal. Vintage dresser. This piece of furniture is functional as well as attractive, giving a romantic look to the shabby chic bedroom. Vintage armoire. Add storage space with a white painted armoire that is both attractive and durable. Vintage chair. Create a reading nook with an open table or shelf to place books. Wall art and pictures. Create an art gallery with vintage framed pictures. Plants not only decorate, but they also purify the air. Finally, personal details are what really make your bedroom unique. Consider displaying framed photographs, artwork, or travel souvenirs. These personal touches not only beautify the space, but they also tell your story. In short, decorating a bedroom in shabby chic style is all about combining vintage furniture, cozy textiles, and charming accessories. With a little creativity and attention to detail, you can create a haven that reflects your personal style and offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Thanks for joining us for this guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more decorating and style tips. See you next time.